Today we're doing a review of my Candy Smart washing machine. Now what you do is chuck the washing in like that. This is a stupid, idiotic review, of course. We're gonna get this stuff. I've already prepared it. Bung this in. Formal 2-in-1 gel in there like that. Just, you know, a bit. It's a bit more. Oh, for God's sake. Oh! Oh, I'll put that lid on. How could you get the lid wrong? You idiot. Put that back in there like that. Shove that in. Now the controls are set simple. You press that button. Make sure the door's shut. Make sure the washing's in. And then press that. I've already got it set at 20 degrees. So easy. Such an easy job. Here you go. That's it. What can I say? Don't know. Film water. It's gonna. I'll do another video about how I empty it. That'll be something to look forward to. Oh look! Look! Looky dooky! Oh, this is so mesmerising. That's an over and out. Please like, share, subscribe. Blah 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 blah.